Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to join the Patreon. That's patreon.com/butI'mnotatrader. I will be releasing the website. It is already finished. I just need to come up with a name, essentially. Give me 1 second. Like I told my Patreon members yesterday, I do think that this is essentially the bottom, and SPY is still primed to go up, right? I do think right now, if we maintain this level above this 4437 on SPX, I do think that from here we are going to start running back up to possibly like a 447, 447, 446 maybe. So I do think that we've started our push up. I mean, you essentially have on the hour, you have like a quadruple bottom, right? So, right, you kept trying to break here, break, nothing really happened, and you kept pushing these lows a little bit higher and higher and higher, right? And the hour is going to close bullish, the 4 hour is going to close bullish, and the daily looks like it wants to go back to closing bullish, right? Today is the Fed minutes at 2 o'clock. So at 11, I'd probably long this towards like maybe 9-10 in the morning and then get the hell out, because I don't know what's going to happen for Fed minutes, and I would not risk it, right? Unless you want to actually, if you want to risk it, I mean, I'd say maybe if you want to do like options or something, maybe buy like Friday options, maybe a week out options at the money. I wouldn't really do anything else, right? Because it's going to be extremely volatile today. My recommendation is probably do not trade anything at all. But as of right now, I do think you're probably headed back up to something like a 447. I do think you've already made a nice little bottom here, and I think from here you're probably going to start pushing up to the upside. I do think SPY is primed to run. And again, these are just like the white lines are my hourly. The red is gonna be the daily, and then I have. Do I not have any weeklies? Oh, my weeklies are usually are green. That's weird. I'm surprised I don't have any weeklies here. Oh, and you're essentially right on weekly support at 4445.67. You did technically break it because you are trading at the bottom right now. So you are technically under major weekly resistance, right? Or technically, yeah, resistance. What would you call it? At here. Resistance, and then way up here you have weekly up there, right? So charts type, there you go. So technically you are right under weekly resistance right here at like 446, 4448. So you can actually bounce extremely hard here, right? If this actually breaks, if you actually start breaking above this 4446.34 level, really good chance you start going all the way back up to like a 447, right? Really good chance. But again, these weekly levels are no joke. If you cannot break this, right, you're probably gonna go straight down to 442, 441, right? And that's basically what happened yesterday. I think I made a video of like, oh, we break a certain level, we're gonna drop straight down to 442. It's basically what happened on SPY, right? Drop down. And then that's why you had this nice little touchdown on that 442 level. This should probably actually be lower. I'm not gonna go too much into it, but as of right now, if we close here at this level, I'd definitely say 443, possibly 445 sometime today. Let me see. Probably. Oh, you actually have a nice little trend here on the 15-minute, but I'm pretty bullish today up until like maybe 9-10 in the morning. And then for Fed minutes, again, no idea what's going to happen, no idea what Jerome Powell's going to say. If he says something bullish, cool, something bearish, then, again, be very, very mindful of what you're going to be trading today because of the Fed minutes. So I do not recommend it. Let's go with NYSC. Baba, I think we already did all these. Let's go with AI. We'll start with AI, right? AI looks like it's going to be going down. AI looks like it's probably going down to like a $29 mark. Yeah, Yeah, I definitely say short AI down to like 29 bucks. You already broke, the daily, right? Came down, retested. I'd say this goes all the way down to 29 bucks. You keep pushing down towards earnings. So AI, pretty sure I'd short the crap out of it. Let's go on the weekly. XOM, oh, you had a nice drop right here. So I'd probably run this trend here now just because you already hit a high. Right, so I'd probably do something like this. So XOM, daily. Yeah, this I would strongly think that we're probably at the top of oil right now. And my next guess for oil is if you actually don't break that trend there, that high, right? If you don't break that high, you're probably going down to like 95 bucks, right? That would be my guess. And it seems like you might be headed there. You do have a nice little uptrend right here, right? Nice uptrend there. So I think you're probably going to stay in this channel. My guess is you probably go all the way down here. Whoops, I don't like that arrow. That's fine. My guess on XOM is you probably come down here and then you push up, right? And you break, or this breaks and you go all the way back down somewhere here. Let me see if we have some major. Do we have anything major here? Major, nope. Anything? Yeah, my guess is either 95 or 88 bucks. I'm more inclined to think 88. Right, definitely more inclined to think 88, XOM to 88. So XOM down to like I don't know, like right there, bro, to 88. So I definitely guess something like this. I do think that from XOM, we're definitely going to start going down. You just closed that daily bear, right? Let me check the 2-day on XOM. 2-day, Tuesday, August. It opens on Thursday, tomorrow. Yeah, I definitely short. It definitely likes to react really well to that 2-day, right? So Friday, April 14th. May, so maybe short for like a month and a half out. It definitely likes dropping on that. Let me see about 3-day. 3-day. I'd probably wait for the 3-day to go. No, 3-day is already too late, I think. 3-day. Yeah, I definitely start shorting now on the 2-day. It definitely looks like it's going to keep dropping. My guess is it probably keeps going down to probably like a 101 on XOM. I take profit here and then maybe add some longs because it might bounce and it might run towards earnings. But I think XOM will do something like this, right? Something like that it'll probably do. So would not be surprised to see XOM drop super hard. And then for Home Depot, damn, Home Depot looks great. It just closed the bull day. Yeah, I would not be surprised if Home Depot just keeps just running right now, bro. Like, not be surprised at all. Let me chart this real quick. Charts, candles, get rid of this, get rid of that. Home Depot, damn, how much did it drop? Home Depot is right on. Home Depot's right on resistance, actually. Should be a little bit higher. So right here. This probably here. And then you have some more resistance right there. Resistance here. That's probably a gap, more than likely. And then Home Depot, I really would only chart on the weekly, just because, it's Home Depot. Tends to move not that quickly. So Home Depot, let's run this here. If I go long Home Depot here, I mean, you've been going straight up since June, and you just closed the bull day. Yeah, I can see Home Depot running to 341. You closed the bull day. It just had a really good earnings. You dropped. Yeah, I mean, I'd probably long Home Depot, to be honest. I would not be surprised if Home Depot keeps running, and then you're on an uptrend right here, right? Pretty easy TA here, or that year. Yeah, you're at a low right now on Home Depot. And again, you still have like all this movement right here, right? You're still in an uptrend, all this whole range. Let's say from Wicklow here. Yeah, I'd say next stop for Home Depot is 350. I can easily see this hit 350 pretty soon. How long does it usually take? What are the moves like on Home Depot? From lows, right? Let's go here. 20 days. $32 in 20 days. 20 days. That's a big move. 32. 20. Yeah, so I mean, if you're gonna long Home Depot, I'd definitely say go probably like 350s. Maybe like a month out. So Home Depot looks like a really good long right now, to be honest. Like I would not short Home Depot. I like Home Depot looks really good right now to run back up. And again, you're right on that middle part, right? You're right on that middle where you can definitely drop super hard to like 282, but everything says that it's gonna keep pushing up. So I definitely long Home Depot from here to be super safe. Maybe at the monies, right? Or even like 340s, right? Or maybe like 335s, 340s or something, just to be on the safe side for like a month and a half out. But yeah, I definitely think next target for Home Depot is 350. I might actually look into buying these, to be honest. That looks pretty good. Bank of America. Damn, Bank of America's been dropping like a rock. Bank of America, not really. I wouldn't say it's been dropping like a rock. You have a nice little trend here. All right, you got trend. I mean, if you were gonna long, I would definitely say long like here. No, not yet. So it's definitely gonna keep dropping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 3. So like 3 after this closes, it likes to go down for like another 2 to 3 weeks. So I definitely short this until like August, like late August. Bank of America definitely likes to keep going down for like another 3 weeks. You're gonna close this in 2 days, right? So I definitely say Friday short this, probably back down to like a $28, like $28. It's not a lot of movement. So if anything, I'd probably just wait to long at like $28 when it hits this trend and then go from there. But it does like to, when it closes a bear week, it does like to go for like 3 weeks, 5 weeks. So 1, 3, so short it till August 28th, right? September 11th, right? Longest, right? Max. So it definitely looks like it's going to keep going down. I mean, we can look at big tech too, but I think I've already looked at a bunch of big tech for you guys on the daily. So let's look at Apple. Apple, I think, like I said, I think Apple's going to start running back up. I think Apple has a really good chance here. I think I might get some like with some 177 calls on Apple. I think Apple's definitely going to, looks like it wants to push back to like 181 this week or next week, right? So I'm definitely pretty bullish. Tesla is going to keep dropping towards 224, no doubt about that. It looks disgusting, bro. Like, Tesla looks disgusting. Yeah, I wouldn't long this till 224, right? I would not touch this till it hits this. And on the weekly, there's nothing on Tesla, right? So you have no resistance on Tesla on the weekly till 207. Jesus. So I mean, if you were gonna long Tesla, like really long, yeah, I wouldn't touch this till down there. That looks gross. Yeah, your next major support is gonna be 207 on the weekly. Other than that, there's nothing, bro. Nothing on Tesla. Would not be surprised if this thing keeps dropping for a while. The whole chart looks disgusting, right? You've been dropping, pretty heavily for like a while now. But yeah, I definitely say if you wanted a long, I would only long at these like daily levels right here. Let's see charts. Line. Daily. Yeah, I'd say 224 would be a really good stop. 224 to 25. Let me see. Do you have really good support there? Yeah, not really. I mean, you do have like some sort of like 225-ish area. You do have really good support. And the next big support is going to be 215. But I definitely say start longing at like 220, like 5-ish. Right now we're at 228. When it hits this, I'll set an alert, right? Just because I actually want a long Tesla. So let's do that. At 225, I'll actually long because it actually looks pretty solid. Tesla. NVIDIA, I think NVIDIA is going to keep running. It already closed. It closed a perfect entry on the day, right? Perfect entry on the day on NVIDIA. So I definitely say long NVIDIA for a bit. Yesterday it dropped. Where are we at? 442. Yeah, I definitely think it's going to 454, especially before earnings. Or where's earnings? Yeah. This video is running a little long, I think. So earnings is August 23rd. Yeah, I definitely long NVIDIA towards earnings. Would not be surprised if you just, this is all just like a retest, right? So it looks like it's going down on the hour. I would wait to long this probably on like the 15th. Yeah, there we go. So if you actually close this 15, I'd probably take that long, right? 15, nice push up as long as you're on support. Right here, I don't care about it. Don't care. Let me see if there's anything on support. 15 support push right here. 15 support push. Yeah, as long as you're on support, I take it. So as long as you're anywhere on this range here, so as long as you stay above this 442 or 438 level and you close that 15-minute, you're probably going to like a 454. So not a bad idea, honestly. So I think I'm gonna cut it off there. I think I've already talked about everything a lot. So yeah. SPX, SPY, what about SPX? We'll go one more time, right? We'll look at SPX really quick. I think this video is getting a little too long for my liking. 5-minute. Oh, did you actually drop? Oh, you're starting to drop there, whatever. Yeah, I would only long this if that 4-hour closes, right? If this actually closes bullish, then I'd long it. But if this keeps dropping down here, then definitely not. I would definitely long this at open if we stay above 4438.13 and you close that bull trigger, but not in an hour and a half, right? So this closes, cool, but if you start dropping under here, then I would not close it. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.